look at that. The lake is getting frozen. Indeed, or at least the top layer of this lake named Långsjön. I'm at Långsjöbadet and it is 19th of November 2024. It is lunchtime, 12 o'clock, and it's time for yet another beach adventures with Chris in this soon yet to be winter paradise. It is only 1 degree Celsius in the air. I'm assuming the water is very cold. I can't measure now because there is a top layer of ice that I'm gonna go through soon. But it's going to be a nice beach adventure indeed. So yes, the lakes will be frozen very soon. And here is my ride for today, 5 kilometers in this cold weather, but I have lots of clothes with me that I will definitely need to be in after this dip for today. So beach number 206 on New Zealand Beach Adventures. I was very close not to do beach adventure today as there will be snow tomorrow, so I wanted to keep myself fresh for tomorrow for the snow, but it seems like the lake will be even more icy tomorrow as it will be minus degrees in the area as well. So as you can see, some of the central part of the lake, I guess that is a bit deeper. It's not under ice. So yeah, and here is also the more shallow the water is, the bigger the ice is indeed. So Långsjöbadet this is, and let's get ready for this ice cold dip. And let me break the ice, as Britney Spears said in her song. I'm also keeping my thermometer close to measure after my swim, or at least I can measure here. Well, to be fair, I'm not sure how deep this is. I mean, how hard it is. It doesn't look that hard, but yeah, let's try it out. This is Beach Adventures with Chris, my channel where I'm showing you my beach adventures almost every single day in Sweden, and then also when I travel abroad. So yeah, let's then break the ice and see how hard it is. Oh, just look at that cracking sound. Oh, oops, it's so satisfying to watch. Look at that. Perfect. Oh my god, it's amazing. My first ice crashing of the season. So satisfying indeed. Look at that. Perfect. It's gonna be a cold one indeed, but let me first measure the temperature in the lake together. It's so satisfying with all these chunks of ice. I think it should be around 0 or 1 degree Celsius. What do you think? Okay, so, or maybe just the top layer. I'm just questioning because it says 4 degrees. Is that right? I am very confused. Let's try it once again. A bit more down. So satisfying with the ice being in. It's 4 degrees Celsius, so I'm very confused. Maybe my thermometer is not correct, but it can be the case because it's only the top layer that is under ice, the rest is not. So then again, let's take a dip, and I'll take another measurement later with my clothes on. So this is it. I can see my reflection also in the water, and now I have cleared out the ice. Let's get some more, as it is satisfying to watch. So satisfying. Alright, then let's take a dip today. Quick one. Here at Långsjöbadet in Långsjön. It's so nice with the sun. And let's then go in for a quick dip here. Let's go. So nice and so refreshing. It's not that cold, to be fair, because the wind is not present, so it's quite nice indeed. So with this wonderful view of these frozen lakes with these chunks of ice, it's time to then wrap up today's beach adventure with Chris. And yeah, wow, that was so satisfying indeed. Let's try it once again. Perfect. Alright, it's amazing. I'm gonna have so much fun with the ice. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.